Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a beautiful greeting card cover for the Christmas party or for the Christmas. For that we need cooling tool, some round dias, glue and some strips, 297 mm, 150 mm and 375 mm strips. So first of all start from the body part. For that we need 297 mm strip, black color, make the tight roll, put in the 20 mm dia round, press from the both side little to make the shape of a body. Now 150 mm strip we have to use for the face. For that we need almost 10 mm dia round. Then we need 75 mm dia for the ear, little bit make it loose, put the glue and press from the middle to make a shape of ear. For leg we also we have to do. Just take around, make it loose, press from the one corner, and you did it for the feet. For the tail we have to make the shape of almost little bit S shape that make the heart. So friends, we got the stuff. I'll show you the ones here. I already made one ear before and one leg as well. Here friend. Now we have to put the stuff on the card. Now friends, we have our both cats. We just change the colors of feet and ears to make the couple. It shows that couple, and you just put the things on the card and make the heart shape as well, as you can see. So friends, I hope you got our ideas. So if you like a video, please comment below the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload our new video. So until next videos friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.